Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel, and today is also another Rakhi inspiration project for you all. So my idea for today's card was to do something simple. I start off with a piece of Craftangle's notelet. This is the regular A2 notelet which opens horizontal, and I have stuck it to the base, and then I'll be doing some stenciling and ink blending on top of it. So I'm using one of my mandala stencil here, and then I'll be using distress ink and Craftangle's ink blending brushes for blending. However, you could switch it up with any stencil that you have, any inks of your choice. It is a completely customizable card. And here I'm choosing one of a vibrant orange color, and what I'm doing is I start off with adding a lot of ink in the center, and then I kind of blend it out as I move towards the outside, which kind of gives a nice gradient effect. And once I lift stencil, here is how beautiful the pattern has come. Now, as always with all my videos, all the products that I talk about will be linked in the description of the video. Now, just to add a little bit of shimmer and fun on top of the project, I am using some watercolor pans. The color that I'm using is gold dust, and then I'm sprinkling that on top of card. Now, these are extremely vibrant colors, and that is why they leave a lot of shimmer even with just small tiny dots. I like to do this in a lot of my festive cards because they simply uplift a color and add another area of dimension and vibrance to your project. Now for the sentiment, I'm using one of the Craftangle stamp set, and this is a sentiment in Hindi, and then I am kind of embossing it on top of my excess cardstock. The cardstock that I am using is dual textured white, and then I'll be doing some gold embossing on top of it. Now, as always, for embossing, I am using my favorite embossing ink, which is Versamark ink, and then I have used Ranger Gold Superfine embossing powder, and then I'm heating it with heat tool, and as soon as it heats, you can see this beautiful shine that you get on the project. Now, to add this sentiment on top of my card, I have simply fussy cut it using a pair of scissors, and I'll create triangular banners in the corner, and then I will stick this sentiment on top of my card. I have decided to foam mount the sentiment on top of my card, and for that I am using some blue double-sided foam tape, and once I stick the same, that will complete my card. A very easy card. The idea with this card was that something which can be easily mass produced in different colors and different patterns. So just by changing the color of dyings, or by changing the color of stencil, the pattern of stencil that you are using, you can actually create many variants of the same card, and you can gift it accordingly to different people on your family, or you can make it for your clients if you sell your handmade cards. So that was the card for today. As always, I leave you with quite a few close-ups of the card. If you like my channel and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you make a card inspired by this, don't forget to tag us. I would love to see what you have made. Thank you guys. Bye bye.